Hi Bengaluru, my name is Manak Chakravarti and I'm from Green Power Systems. Today I'm going to tell you how I am doing my bit in converting the garbage city back to garden city. As you know, our city is facing a lot of waste crisis today. We hear a lot about these waste to energy solutions, biogas solutions, composters and all, but the point is how many of them are viable, which can be set up at your doorstep. It is a 75 kg per day plant, and all it takes up is around 6 to 8 square meter of land. Even for bigger plants, this is the area our plant will ever require. And what you get back is around half a cylinder of LPG on a daily basis. This is after converting the biogas to LPG in terms of its calorific value. Now coming to the advantages, as you can see, the plant is situated right next to where the students eat in this particular facility, and we have been here for the last 2 years. There haven't been any complaints about the smell. Even you can see it's a very neat and tidy solution. The idea is that we want to offer it to any apartment complex, hotel, restaurant, or a corporate kitchen who can set it up in their available space. It could be either your parking lot or your terrace. So the first step of the daily process is shredding. So we get waste from the kitchen out there, and then we run it through our own shredder. This is again a proprietary design that we had made, keeping in mind the issues with respect to India. For instance, even if we do the segregation, often we have seen that stuff like spoons and all tend to creep in, which can make a shredder go wrong. So in our case, we have replaceable blades and so on, so that even in case of wear and tear, we can simply replace our blades and it runs 24/7. So the next stage in the process is the mixing of waste with the old slurry, which happens in this particular hopper. Now we have just added the waste. Now to ensure highest biogas productivity, we mix it with the old slurry. This way the bacteria get to mix with the fresh waste, so that let's say when we talk about the fresh food particles, all of them have access to the bacteria which are already there inside the system. The next step and the final step of the daily feeding process is the pumping of this mix back to the digester, which happens through a special pump. Once the pump starts working, it gets pushed through this pipe to the top of the digester, and it gets mixed with the resident waste inside the digester. Now, as far as once the waste is inside the digester, we have a digestion time of around 15 days, and after which you get gas. But since it happens on a daily basis, so on a daily basis you get gas which would have come out from your waste, which would have been 15 days old. For the waste that we add every day, let's say from 75 kgs per day, we get around 12 cubic meters of gas, which is equivalent to around 6 to 7 kgs of LPG. Now the gas that comes out, through this tube that you can see, the green tube, and it goes through a set of filters. This is basically to remove some of the unwanted gases, and from there it comes to an intermediate balloon such as this. Coming to the final and the most important part, the gas, what you get out of it. So here we'll have a very quick demo of how the flame looks like, how fast it can be, and so as you can see below, we have a special regulator, and we just release the gas here. So now it's an invisible flame, which shows that the gas is burning beautifully. Also, to give the viewers a much better idea, maybe we can try boiling some water in quick time. It's just a start, but hopefully we hope to do wonders. This is my initiative for Hasiru City. What is yours? With camera person Abu Bakar, Manak Chakravarti for News 9.
Are you making a change by managing your waste? Inspire others with your story. Tell us about your initiative to make Bengaluru a Hasiru city. Write to us at response@hasirocity.com or SMS us at 56006890.